all dry. Doesn't really do it a whole lot of justice, but it's a little refresher that I need. Did my toes.
Mm-hmm.
What else? What?
You know.
What else do you want to do today?
Be lazy.
Be lazy.
Toes.
What's wrong with showing my toes? I don't have ugly toes. Tell them why you don't want me to show my toes. Because why?
People are creeps.
You're calling the community creeps?
Not in general. But people are gonna... You don't know who's gonna jack into you.
You're nasty.
I'm just saying, I'm a man. I know what men think. So,
I'm keeping with the purple theme. Did my toes purple. I'm gonna do my nails. And we're gonna try and scrounge for some lunch because I'm kind of an idiot and I don't think I got enough at the grocery store.
there's leaves.
And then we're gonna have to shovel at some point because if you look at all of this fucking Odin sperm right here, just hate snow. We don't do snow here. Gonna have to shovel ourselves out at some point. Tell them what we found this morning. Going out there.
Which one?
The dustpan.
I'm telling you, if Russia ever invade the United States, we are fucked.
Why?
Because I saw people my age, not all people my age, but they literally had a dustpan and shovel in the snow.
A dustpan, a broom, a Home Depot bucket.
And they go, eh. And then they got a real shovel from a fucking neighbor. And then they shovel and they put it right in front of their car.
The other car next to
No,
them.
they were putting it in front of their car, but a couple more feet in front of their car.
And the one next to them. Who had already brushed his car.
Yeah, the dumb motherfucker brushed his car in the back, and they went to do the front, got done the front, then they get going from the back again.
They were at this for 40 minutes with a dustpan, a broom, a scraper, shoveling themselves out until someone actually brought them a real shovel.
I'm telling you.
So then you said, that's how you know Daddy's done everything for you.
Yeah. And where the fuck are you gonna go? It's a Saturday.
Yeah, because it's still very much snowing. It's starting to slow down now, but this morning when this was happening, it was really coming down. It was 10 o'clock in the morning. I think they were having some kind of weird adult girlfriend sleepover. And they had to go home, and then they didn't realize how bad it had snowed.
And we wasn't invited.
You're nasty.
So
I love our art.
I think I'm gonna sharpen a couple knives.
And scrounge for something for lunch and dinner.
Spyderco. Resilience. I need to take it apart and clean it. And
I literally just realized there's a box of condoms behind
large size. Oh well.
You're gonna make me ugly laugh.
And
I got some of my nasty books over here. Don't show all of them.
don't show that.
What? Oh. You're gross.
And I got the asshole one. Tonto.
Sorry we got cut off.
That was his birthday.
It's not over yet. I want to do a little facial, maybe do my nails.
You did your nail.
My other nails, the ones that I can actually show.
Oh.
Since I can't show these. I love our art. Our
And
aesthetic.
I'm gonna shit on people on Warzone.
In Warzone.
And then if anyone wanna add me, my name is Handicap A Hole. Yeah. Can we get lunch? I'm hungry.
Sure.
You know what?
So tell the people what I got you into last night.
Lifetime movies.
Mm-hmm. And what were your thoughts?
I think you gotta be in the right mood for it.
Because they're cheesy?
No good to get like pay attention.
Yeah, there can't be no doing anything else while you watch a Lifetime movie from the 90s. They weren't playing. Stalking and murder mysteries.
Now I know why.
The Babysitter Seduction. My Stepson, My Lover. The Death of a Cheerleader. Mother, May I Sleep with Danger. Y'all remember that one. Julia Roberts. Oh, no. That was Sleeping with the Enemy. I'm sorry.
Now I know why. Bar. You should watch them.
Man, if you wanted to take a peek at what I was doing after middle school and high school, after I'd get out of school, I'd like retreat to the basement, get myself some snacks, and try and catch whatever Lifetime movie was on, no matter how stupid it was. It's classic. We watched the one with Tony Danza last night.
I can only watch like one at a time.
I could do this all day. There were times, like when I was a teenager and like it would be Saturday, I would literally sit in my room and watch them all fucking day.
I used to watch Haunting. That was my show.
A Haunting. Was it on Discovery?
Yeah, Discovery Plus.
Was that a baby somewhere that just...
No, TV. Oh, I gotta show you the American Satan.
American Satan.
Since you're a black veil blind whore.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Looking at you holding the phone. I'm sharpening over here. What's up? How do you do?
Well, they're spending the Blizzard Day with us, so...
You might want to look while you're filming.
I am looking. I just
You're
didn't
all
know.
the way over there.
No, I wasn't. What do you want to do?
Sharpen. Fix these knives. I'm reprofiling over here.
Lifetime movie?
And I still sharpen.
Will you pay attention?
Kinda.
Kinda? There's no such thing as kinda paying attention to a Lifetime movie.
I'll pay attention if I won't know any names.
You need to know the names.
I'll pay attention.
Do you want one about murder, stalking, babies? The hell's
That didn't go so well.
No, it didn't. Babies are in there somewhere. Let's check in on the
What
babies.
do you mean just lunch?
American Satan. Babies should be in here somewhere. This is where they like to sleep. Oh my goodness! Oh, there's two babies. Where's your head, Forky? So this is what we see every day. Okay, so there's Forky. Where is your head? Oh, this is what they do. And then they just like to.
So there go Lauren. So there go Lauren shoveling or brushing off the snow. We got about, I'd say, a good foot of snow. The apartment people said they wasn't gonna salt anything until it was done. And I just saw them pull up right now. So hopefully the fucking ice will melt in the morning. But I don't understand why they don't do it before. I don't know why they don't salt before the snow starts. Oh, be careful. God. Jesus Christ. I told her I'll watch her just in case. And be careful, goddammit. I know. Yes. Odin had a lot of sperm to give. So I'm gonna watch her and make sure she's okay. I literally can't go outside because it's basically all the way up to the fucking door. So yeah, and then we're gonna order food. So we're gonna catch up with you guys later.
Y'all, if you have asthma, don't ever, under any circumstances, try and shovel yourself out of the snow. I have to relearn this lesson every year, and every year it's the same thing. I almost have an asthma attack because
Don't give me a camera.
Why?
Don't give me a camera.
Why?
My head's out.
You're not. But don't ever. So we just ordered dinner. Want to see the biggest fucking piece of Stromboli you've ever seen in your fucking life? I thought it was just gonna be this little nice, personal Stromboli. No. It's gonna take us like a week to finish this. What'd you get? Are you smelling the chicken?
I wanted him to put the sauce on it, and he did.
Oh.
I got hot wings with Old Bay fries.
It's pretty good. Gonna take us about a week to finish it, but
Not enough for that.
no, that's plenty of little day, I think.
No.
Mm-hmm. So that was our blistery, snowy day. And there's actually going to be another day off tomorrow because I'm normally off on Sundays. And so we're probably going to go to Mikey's dad's house. Still looks horrendous out there. So maybe we'll film something tomorrow. But I like doing these. I think we should do more of these little like mini vlogs. So I'm gonna do these fucking dishes, the bane of my existence, and gonna finish up some episodes of our show, probably watch another Lifetime movie, and Mikey's in the shower right now, but he would want me to end this off on my own anyway. So we love you guys, and we'll keep on putting out more stuff like this, kind of branching off a little bit and doing some different things like cooking videos and featuring my nice little crock pot up there. Maybe giving some updates on our house buying journey, which to be honest I'm not really looking forward to because I wasn't ready for it. I wasn't ready for the whole process. I thought maybe we had some more time, but as it turns out we kind of don't. So we're just gonna, for now, keep on looking to see what we want, what we can afford. I guess get pre-qualified and talk to a realtor, see what we can afford, and hopefully we get to stay close. We don't get to move too far away. Just try to make this as seamless of a transition as humanly possible. So I think by around this time next year, we'll be basically in the process of moving. So maybe I'll look back on this in a year and think, oh wow, what was I worried about? I don't know. But we'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see you guys later.